do, because the credit bureaus do not play fair. If you don't know the history of the credit bureaus, they used to hire, their employees used to give commission to dig dirt on consumers by knowing if their relationship status, right? If they was married, single, homosexual, whatever they may, any dirt that they could dig on you and report it, the credit bureaus did. And so that's their mindset, right? And so I love it. I got a text message this morning concerning someone from, I forgot the name of the state, but I love networking with people. Now, let me get into the cash flow. Excuse me. I said I was going to keep this video very short. Still wearing my Nike, if you can see it. So let me flip my camera. So I'm trying to, the tax law is built for entrepreneur and investing. People, I tell you, this is why you need a home-based business. You need to be an employee and an entrepreneur at the same time. So what does the government want? First, they want to create more jobs. Who create more jobs? Entrepreneurs. And therefore, entrepreneur would get tax breaks and encourage as an act that's subsidized to encourage job creation. What else does the government do? If you're a real estate investor, you also get certain tax breaks. So for most people, you're maybe not starting out investing in real estate. And this is from Tax Free Wealth book. I'm a big Robert Kiyosaki fan. And so this is a story. He goes on to say, my longtime friend and client did this with his 9-year-old daughter. He put her to work doing the bookkeeping. I'm doing it with my daughter for his real estate investing. Her mother, who was in charge of the real estate, supervising her, she gets a reasonable wage compared to other bookkeepers. In a year, she might earn $4,000. That $4,000 will be a deduction to her parents. She doesn't earn any other income, and the standard deduction plus her exemption is more than $4,000. So in my client's 40% tax bracket, if you are just employed, you are getting taxed right now. If you just have a job, you're getting taxed anywhere from 28 to 33%. So that $4,000 pay to their daughter means a tax savings of $1,600. So don't hesitate to put your children to work in your business. They are great tax benefits for you, huge educational benefits for them, because they also get that money. They earn that money tax-free. So just walk with me. I want to make sure I'm explaining this. Listen, every time you spend money, you can also reduce your taxes, whether it's filling up your car at the gas station, going out to dinner with your spouse and business partner, or even going to New Mexico to look at real estate. Now, he's referring to real estate in these examples, but I'm referring to having home-based business. Now, this is what our home-based business help you do. It helps you to learn how to document these expenses, and it also shows you how to use them if you're a tax preparer or whoever does your income taxing, or cannot educate you on that, right? So this is how the average tax person cash flows, right? They get their paycheck or their income, they pay taxes, and then they pay their expenses, their mortgage, their utilities. I tell people all the time, your mortgage, your car note, your vehicle note is not your biggest expense. It's your taxes, right? So, but if you become a home-based business owner, now you get your paycheck from your job, then you pay your expenses, your mortgage, your vehicle, and then you pay less taxes. It puts you in a lower tax bracket. To enjoy deductible tax expenses is to start a business or start investing for passive income. Number 3, you don't have to quit your job, people. You just have to start small, right? Wouldn't you like for the government to pay for your vacation, or even better, wouldn't you like for the government to subsidize your business by giving you big depreciation deductions, right? So that's how, once you learn how to adjust before, and you decrease